Okay, we are at 3376 Manning Court. We're going to do a sewer inspection. There is a 4-inch ABS cleanout in front of the house and on the right side of the house in the front. And we've got about 3 or 4 feet of ABS, which is just the cleanout, and the rest is all clay. There are several turns. There's one drop about 10 feet in, 12 feet in. Then it drops, turns right. It goes towards the driveway, and then it turns left. And then it hits the city sewer about 65 feet in, I believe. So you're gonna find a lot of roots, a lot of tree roots in it, in several different joints, connections. That's it.
Si lo metemos por el vent, el cleanout de ahí abajo, es el 3. Ahí tengo la escalera.
¿El vent?
¿Ah?
¿El vent?
¿Por el vent? Sí. Que por el vent. Ya, si no ponemos la escalera por a ver y ya nosotros le subimos el... Sí, es el 3. Sí, pues por allá le metimos la víbora aquella vez.
All right, that's the city sewer connection. So a lot of roots in the line, but that's about it. No visible cracks or breaks, just roots. That's it. We're stopping the video now.